Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all another fantastic summer dessert that'll be perfect to take for your summer picnics, barbecue, fish fries, and more. Cherry cheesecake pie, aka cherry cream cheese pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, gonna be full of cherries, and the best part about this recipe, no oven required. So this is a no-bake dessert. Everybody's gonna go crazy over this, and everybody will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my no-bake desserts recipes playlist and my previous video, Dutch apple pancake, aka apple Dutch baby. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cherry pie filling, your cream cheese, and your graham cracker crushed sugar, because we're about to make some cherry cheesecake pie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prepare the crust. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And we're going to add in 7 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And a 1/4 cup of white sugar. Give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Want the consistency of wet sand. Alright my friends, this is what our crumbs look like. That looks great. Alright, now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie plate that I greased with cooking spray. Alright, so now I'm going to shake it and flatten a little bit. And using my measuring cup, we're just going to flat the sides. Like so. Alrighty, now we're going to put our graham cracker crust in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 8 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through baking my crust. So now we're going to let it cool completely. And while that's cooling, we're going to get started on our filling. In my large bowl, I have a 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that will come to room temperature, and we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, to our cream cheese, we're going to add in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Oh, I love this stuff. So amazing. We're going to continue mixing until everything's well incorporated. Alrighty, now we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm just going to add in half. And it's very important that you use fresh lemon juice. Really makes a difference. And again, we're going to cream everything until it's well incorporated. And then I'll add in the other half of the lemon juice. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our filling is almost complete. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. We're going to add and mix in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Alright my friends, our filling is complete. Smells good. Love the smell of lemon. See how simple and easy it was? Now we're ready to pour it into our cooled graham cracker crust. Alrighty, my friends, so all we do now is pop this pie in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill overnight until it's firm. And I'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty, my friends, it's the next day. Our cheesecake pie is nice and set. Now it's time for the final step. We're going to add on a can of cherry pie filling. And I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. Give it a little extra flavor. And almond extract goes amazing with cherries. I'm going to stir this in until it's well combined. Alrighty, now ready to pour the cherries on top of our pie. And also you can use blueberry pie filling or strawberry pie filling. Whatever your heart desires. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. No-bake cherry cheesecake pie. That look good and pretty. So now I'm going to cut me a slice and then I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some whipped cream on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. So refreshing. And I love the tartness from the cherries. And that graham cracker crust is phenomenal. This is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cherry cream cheese pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.